Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Men in Tech, the home of simple tech explained. And today, it's finally here. iOS 26, Apple's latest and boldest update yet. From a stunning new look to mind-blowing AI features, this is not your average iOS update. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about iOS 26, including the new Liquid Glass UI, Apple Intelligence, Genmoji, and more. So if you're an iPhone user or just a tech lover, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. 1. New design. Liquid Glass UI 030 to 130. First up, the entire look and feel of iOS has changed. Apple calls it Liquid Glass, and it's inspired by Visionos from the Apple Vision Pro. Everything now feels more fluid, futuristic, and alive. Control Center redesigned. Notifications now float with depth. Even app icons and widgets react to light and motion in subtle ways. It honestly makes iOS 17 look ancient. If design matters to you, this update delivers eye candy and functionality. 2. Apple Intelligence. AI in iOS 26 132, 230 next up. The biggest feature, Apple Intelligence. This is Apple's answer to ChatGPT and Gemini, built directly into your iPhone. It can summarize long articles, rewrite messages for tone, generate images, and even understand what's on your screen. Example, you're looking at a calendar invite. Just ask Siri, what time should I leave? And it checks traffic, weather, and gives an answer. And yes, Apple partnered with OpenAI to bring ChatGPT directly into Siri for deeper and smarter responses. 3. Genmoji and AI Tools 230 to 315. Say hello to Genmoji, emojis made by you. Just describe one. Like a nerdy lion in sunglasses, and iOS 26 generates it. You can also clean up your photos, fill missing parts, or remove background noise from videos, all with a tap. These tools are part of Apple's new Creativity AI suite, and they rebuilt right into the apps you already use. 4. Privacy and device support 315, 345. Of course. Apple being Apple, they've doubled down on privacy. Most of the AI runs on device, which means your data stays yours. Also, Apple Intelligence features are limited to a 17 Pro chips and later. So if you re-on iPhone 15 Pro or newer, you're in. The regular features still work on older models like iPhone XR and above, but no AI magic there. 5. How to get iOS 26 345 to 415. So how do you get iOS 26? The public beta drops in July and the final release comes this September, just in time for the iPhone 17 lineup. You can join the Apple Beta Software Program. I'll link it in the description below. It's outro and CTA 415, 445. So there you have it, the full breakdown of iOS 26. What's your favorite feature? The Liquid Glass design or the AI tools? Hey, drop it in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Men in Tech, and tap the bell so you don't miss my next video on iPhone 17 and iOS 26 hidden features. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.